Based on Villa Gomez Medina. I was ordained on May 5, 1974. Through the help of Padre Bernardo Stendhal, I entered the Carmelite Mission Seminary in Escalante, and I was the only one survivor of that group, so I'm the first Filipino Carmelite. What attracted me to the Carmelite order is the involvement of the Carmelites in social action, especially in cooperatives and in mission work for the poor, for the little ones in society. Living with them, I found in our Carmelite community a different brand of religious life, wherein it is not only active but it's contemplative. The atmosphere of prayer can be felt, and I was engrossed and deeply born into a life where I can be more connected to God through life of prayer, and especially silence, and in the silence to communicate much more to the divine. And from contemplation, I have seen the works of the Carmelites. They go to the barrios, they go to every area, and they are organizing people, they are teaching the people. And since they are still new to the area and they can speak the language of the people, so I help them even in bringing their message to the people.
In fact, Paul was the first Carmelite Filipino for the Dutch. For the Dutch, it was a sign of we have to give much more attention to vocation work. Because during the Carmelites in Philippines did not give much on vocation. We need to establish vocation and spirituality and social action work only for 3-4 years. Who replace us? And so the council and even in our community we stress the importance of vocations.
I would say that Father is a unique and conventional priest of our American Carmelite. And he is the prophet of fire. During his time in Serbia, he is very strong in the human rights movement, the responsibilities of the Philippines, and the advocacy for Alekapua. And Father Paul is one of the frontliner for the anti-narcos to be the militarization of martial law. And Father Paul, the memories that I will not forget is your only when you say, "Hold by one hand."
At that time when I was in Isabela, San Mariano, and that is Sierra Madre area. And so there was a battle between the military army and police versus the NPA. Me and the group of sacristans in our parish were put in that crossfire, and we got even stand for 24 hours because the gun firing is all over. We saw a lot of dead people and blood everywhere. And our convent at that time, where there were so many holes, and even our service car was even destroyed. But at that time, I was praying to God that if we will not survive, at least people will remember we are with Him up to the end.
I met Father Paul in 1992. So, nakita ko siya na itim na yung book niya. Tapos, jolly na jolly siya. Yun lang, ang may meeting, madalas late siya. Ang dami na kasi tinatamuan. Parang lahat tinatamuan niya. So, yung oras parang hindi napabalanse. Pero, si Father Paul ay napaka-generous. Sobrang generous. Pag nagdadaan siya, lagi siyang may ice cream. Lagi siyang may pa-cake kahit na walang okasyon. Tsaka talagang si Father Paul ay maka-co-worker siya. Naaawa na sa mga tao sa tinatawag natin na sa laylay ng lipunan. Hindi siya suplado. Hindi talaga siya nisuplado sa mga co-workers. Kaya mahal-mahal namin siya. Thank you, Father Paul.
Those who are under probation, they always choose me to be the spiritual director from the different congregations. People deny me because I'm not imposing type of spiritual director. I listen and I guide them. I accompany them. And as I accompany them, I went through their life, their joys and their pains, and I help them discover that life, even if it is very painful, even if it is very challenging, it is always a life to be lived. Another thing that I advise them, go deeper into the experience with God by personal deep meditation, because it is sometimes this physical experience or the deep meditation experience that would help us at the times when we are confronted with problems, especially crisis in life, problems in life, or whatever challenges there are in life.
Father Paul became my spiritual director with the end of the ministry in 2018. With his wisdom and insights, he helped me in my discernment, and he helped me to grow in the Carmelite way of life. I am very thankful that I have Father Paul joining me as I continue my ascent to Mount Carmel.
In Quiapo, I'm just helping out because they are in need of praise too. My help is more about spiritual, like confessions, holy masses, and then also helping out in the blessings, because a lot of people
Thank you very much. Happy anniversary. mabuhay. Tanaw, I wish you a happy, healthy first of all anniversary. And thank you so much for sharing your moments. Thank you.
Paul Medina, our beloved brother, happy anniversary for your golden anniversary in the priesthood. It's quite singular. I'm very happy that you may witness this day. Well, you recall, of course, 1974. You were a young, enthusiastic guy who was already rather accustomed to way and you found your way in the Carmelite community. And I remember that after ordination, you were assigned to Lagos and you did a lot for the Carmel youths. That was at the beginning, I think you are at the very beginning of the Carmel youth in Lagos. That later on it has developed, but I always think back of those days that you were very enthusiastic, because at the time I was recruiting still Carmelites for the formation, and you helped me a lot with that Carmel youth in Escalante. That was all before you went to Rome, because after a few years in Escalante, you were sent to Rome. So you have, in the meantime, had so many experiences and so many activities, and all you have always had a good health. So be thankful that you could do it. Be thankful to the Lord and to the community who made it possible, and I wish that you will still continue in good health, and also with the Carmelite spirituality and the spirits of Carmel, with the community which has been changing so much in the course of 50 years, also for you, for me, and for everybody. But with your enthusiasm, we still can get much more. So Paul, have a nice celebration, and I hope to see you once again. Thank you.
50 years Carmelite, and I want to congratulate you for all the years you have worked as a Carmelite, giving best efforts to the group of Carmelites and other people, and also your artistic capacity. But congratulations very much to you, and may God bless you with more years in His vineyard. A greeting from me from Anton.